This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video today we will learn how to execute a program in GW Basic. So first we will learn the definition of executing the program. Execution of the program refers to carrying out instructions of the program. The program must be loaded into memory RAM before execution. Therefore, to execute a program, first load it as described, then press F2 key or type run command. So we'll type a program first, like we'll type first the line number 10, which is the initial first line of a GW Basic program. We'll type let x is equal to 10. So viewers, here I would like to tell you that the statement let is used to assign some value to a variable. Like in this case, you can see that we have a variable named x, and you can see an equal to sign and then a value 10, which is a numeric value. So actually the let statement stores the right hand side value to the left hand side value. Here you can see this operator, this equal to sign, is treated as an assignment operator, and the value which is at the right hand side, numeric value 10, will be stored in the variable x. So we will type a colon, and we have already discussed that the colon is used for the separation lines, to understand that the next line. So we can type multiple statements by using this colon. So we can type another let statement, and we will type another variable y, and we will give a different value like 20. So actually this colon is used to separate two different lines, so we don't need to put a line number over here. GW Basic compiler will automatically treat this let y is equal to 20, which is written after the colon, as a next line, a new line. Now I'll put a new line number 20, and type print, which is statement which is used. Print is a statement which is used to show the output of the program right after the compiling process. So here we will type print, and we will type sum. So viewers, I have already told you in my previous lectures that whenever you want to show some message on the screen with the print statement, then the message should be enclosed within the double quotation marks. Like I have enclosed sum with print statement with quotation mark, and then we will type equal to sign like this, and then we will put another one quotation mark, then we'll type semicolon, and then we will type x plus y. So viewers, here you can see that we will the message sum equal to, which is already enclosed in the double quotation mark with the print statement, will be displayed as it is on the output screen after compiling the program, and the value x plus y will be shown as the sum of x and y. Like here, sum equal to will be displayed as it is because it is enclosed in the double quotation mark, and after semicolon x plus y, the sum of two values 10 and 20 will be displayed. The value will be displayed over here. So there is a difference between the print statement. Whenever you use double quotation mark, the print statement will be displayed same as it is on the screen, on the output screen. And if you don't use the double quotation marks with any variable, then the value stored in it will be shown on the output screen. Now we will type 30 and we will type end. And is not compulsory, but it is used to represent that the program has ended. So it is just used to show that the program, this is the last line of the program. Now we will save this program. So for saving, you can see that we can press F4, we can type save as well. So we will type here, over here, F4, and we will type sum.bas and then press the enter key. So viewers, you can see the OK message means that the above program has been saved with the name sum, and .base is the extension of that program, which is very, very compulsory. If you don't type it, then the program can never be saved as a basic program. So now you need to load the program. For this, you can press the F3 key, and then you can again type the same name of the program, which is sum.base, and can press the enter key. So viewers, now you can see that the program has been successfully loaded into the memory RAM, and now we need to run the program. So for that purpose, you will type F2. You can see 2 with run, so we will type F2. So viewers, you can see that the same output can be seen on the screen. So I just told you before that whatever is used. So viewers, I've just told you that whenever you use double quotation marks with the print statement, the same, whatever the text is, will be displayed same on the screen. So we have used SUM sum space n equal to sign enclosed within the double quotation mark with the print statement. So the same SUM space n equal to sign can be seen on the screen. But here, after semicolon, we have now not used the double quotation marks and just typed x plus y. So we can see the value stored in x was 10 and the value which was stored in y was 20. So 10 plus 20 makes 30. So 30 can be seen on the screen. Semicolon is necessary. So with the help of the semicolon, we can see the space right over here. Semicolon and colon are used. Semicolon and comma are used to give spaces in a specific line in GW Basic program. So I hope that this video is helpful for creating and saving program, and then loading and then executing the program. So that's all, and thanks for watching.